Hello, everyone, and welcome to Jackson's Math Notebook. This is the fifth video in a series of videos related to percentages. And when we look at percentages, we can kind of see it this way. Well, what percent of 80? Okay, let's look at 80 as an example. Well, first of all, let us divide 80 by 10. So 80 divided by 10 would just be 8. And so what we'll just simply do is we'll just write 10 eighths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we notice that 10 eighths will give us 100%. Well, what is 10% of 80? Well, it's just simply 8 because we could just simply go down the row as we see here. And so when we look at that, we know that 10% of 80 is 8. And then 20% of 80 must be 16 because that's just 2 eighths that you see right here. 30% of 80 is 24. 40% of 80 is 32. And half of 80 is 40. And so we can see that as we go along the continuum. And let's continue with this line of thinking by knowing that 60% of 80 is 48, and 70% of 80 is 56. 80% of 80 is 64, and 90% of 80 is 72. And so this is a good way to look at percentages of a number. You could just divide that number by 10, and then you can go from there. You have been given quite a bit of information, so this would be a good time to pause the video if you need to, or replay the video as many times as you need to gain a deeper understanding of a percent of a number. And with that in mind, please comment, share, like, and I repeat, like and subscribe to Jackson's Math Notebook for more content. Thank you and goodbye.